Hello and welcome. Well, as I'd not moved this 1084S away, and I had other stuff here, it does seem that I will be able to give this Commodore 128, by the way, David Bradley in the TV room here, a bit of a test. So we have the power supply. You know what? Its cord is so long, I can just set that gently on the floor. And there's the plug. Always look for the witness mark on the top. Plug it in the right way up. Machine is off. What do we got here? Okay, that would be the video. This would be the power. So plug in the power, turn on the monitor. Oh, ow. Cords, always get in the way, cords, away. And plug in the video. Now what we're looking for is much of anything. Let's see. Okay, we see a little flash. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I suppose another thing I could do is turn it off. There's only one way to do this that I know of. All it is to do my best, and it's not easy. Get the keyboard connector back on. I think I have it back on. I think it's okay. I don't think we're touching anything bad. But hold down the Commodore key. See, with the Commodore 128, when you want to go into 64 mode, you hold down the Commodore key. Oh, this is just getting better and better all the time. Lovely. Now this is not, if I could just type. Device not present error. Of course it is. Okay, so we will poke 53280, 0. We'll poke 53281, 0. We'll switch this to white. We'll put in 10, print. Commodore. Oh, what happened to the C? I'm in quote mode. I'm in quote mode. Okay, I must have missed that. Commodore 128, space, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. What happened there? I put in 10. I felt it. Is there a number lock thing here? Well, that's interesting. The keypad. Oh. The keypad does not seem to be working. Interesting. Well, the other ones do. So there. So we're not perfect. That's peculiar. But we are working. I wonder. I am going to take this 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge by RETROREWIND. Look for them online at RETROREWIND.CA. I'm going to turn this off. And I wonder if that means, I think I have that plugged in okay, because it's working otherwise. Okay, we'll put in the diagnostics. Let's see what's what. I wonder, if I look, sorry, I wonder if there's any wires. There's one wire that looks funny here, but I don't think it's pulled off, but who knows? Could be trouble with 6526 chip. All right, we'll leave that in there. Well, the SID chip is good. And don't worry about the other things that come up bad. That's just the way it is. It's funny. I'm just trying to look around here. I wonder where did I put the other 128? Doesn't seem to be here. But this is encouraging. Now, does it go into 80 column mode? I don't know. Can't really check that right now. I cannot. Commodore 128. Yellowed. Works. 128. 40. I mean, just a quick test. More. Works. 64. Mode. Test. More. Oh! You know what? That kind of makes perfect sense that the keypad doesn't work in 60. Well, let me think about that. Was I in 64 mode or 128 mode? I think I was in 64 mode. It makes sense the keypad doesn't work because 64 doesn't have a keypad. Let's go to 128 mode. Look at that. It's been a while. SID OK. Yellow. Okay, so that be good. Let's just unplug the power, unplug the monitor. I wonder where I put that 128. It's got to be around. Okay, I don't want to get this thing latched on. I do not. I don't want to mark it up accidentally with a Sharpie. I do want to turn it over. Okay. So this is serial number CA1953939. Where was it made? Made in the 6th month of 1986. UL, CSA, it doesn't really say. Doesn't really say where it was made. Oh, maybe that was a strategic move. And it's funny, in these days of tariffs and things and stuff, I'm not sure if it makes a difference. Like if I'm in Canada and I'm selling something to somebody in the United States, but it was made in the United States, is that okay? I don't know. Anyway, well, I'm going to put the data card on here. Fastening it in each corner. Oh, I got a little squirrely. Oh, I hate that. Oh, this little squirrely. Ugh. I would rather it be nice and flat on here. There. Somewhat. Well, now, of course, I've inspired to maybe turn off the monitor, grab some more 128 things, tinker on them. Perhaps I will. Good to have one that is working, or seeming to be working. I have not a way at this moment to try the 80 column mode. I will have to look for cabling and such, which I'm sure somewhere I have. Oh yeah. Alright, well, there. That went well. From what I know, there's 2 more 128s in the car. Maybe I should do an initial assessment. Perhaps I should. Anyway, well, that's enough for now. Let's see again back here in the TV room. Oh, yep, it's time to go. Bye for now.